Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system or the Audi MMI system in this 2015 Audi S4. First of all, we go to settings, make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom for the Audi. Over here, these buttons around here, around the rotary control, if we click telephone, search for new mobile devices. So I click the center of there, that's looking, sorry, I've got to click continue as well. So that's looking for a new phone. I'm going to have to switch the aircon on in a minute, otherwise my cameras are going to overheat. I can see that coming. So it's brought up Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So all we have to do now is click select, I want hands-free. Connections being established. It should show up here in a second. There you go, Bluetooth pairing request pair. Does this pin match? Yes, it does. If it didn't, you click no, but it's highly unlikely it's not going to. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Bluetooth connection has been established. So somewhere up here, the contacts on the telephone cannot be loaded because 4 telephones have already been connected. Replace contacts of one on the telephone. Well, I'm going to I'm going to show you how to delete a mobile in a short while. But to all intents and purposes, that's it. Audi MMI connected. That's how you do it.